spin.
Look to move it.
And we're going on 157, 200, 250.
That's torque.
RPM.
Oh.
So I'm at 15/12 now. That's it.
Okay, I would say this is probably good, so we can try to push it in.
Francisco, as soon as you feel approving, I want to rev it up a bit more, or are you happy?
You can rev it up as far as you...
Well, there's no oil in it, so is that a problem?
in the gearbox?
No.
Yeah.
Did you just drain the oil, or did you wash it?
No, just drain it off.
Yeah, it should be okay.
You want to spin up a bit more, or are you happy?
A little bit more.
So about 15 was holding the speed.
Yeah, a little wobble up there, aren't we? Good and full dry.
If you just drain the oil, you should be able to run it without any trouble. As long as you don't put any load in it, because there's big oil in the gears.
Yeah.
You stop it and I'll put it in first gear.
Want me to go to this?
Yeah, stop it. Which gear was that, fourth or something, was it?
I don't know what it was, I just moved it somewhere.
Is it hang on the stick? Okay, down 12/0, yeah.
You've still got, this thing's taken some weight too, you might loosen this up now.
Oh, I left it so that,
It's taking some way.
yeah, so that it doesn't,
Not slipping out there.
oh, it's just to make sure that if for whatever reason this thing tries to spin or does something stupid, you don't end up with it flying. That's probably first gear.
First, yeah.
First gear.
That's 11 that things have started to get in the car.
Just missed it, yeah.
That's spinning faster.
What speed is it doing?
500. And 12's only 8, so it's taking a lot less force.
Okay, can you stop it? And now put it into another gear.
Right, that's 0.
Okay, try again.
Maybe third, I would have thought.
I think it's probably fifth or something like that. Hang on.
Okay.
Hang on.
You alright?
Just wait. Hang on.
Just put your above your head.
Okay, that should be 50, yeah.
Alright, you alright?
Yep.
Try it.
Yep.
That 14 sort of needs a 13, 15 needs to nudge it.
Yeah, it's spinning a lot faster now.
So 200 RPM.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good. So do you want to tighten it all up and we'll try to put it in?
Alright, you want me to shut it down?
Yep.
Are we running this again?